Finally got the clutch billet. It is working now. Now I've got to go put all that back together and put the strut back in. That side of the K-member folds down. So you can get the transmission out. So there's the swing arm mount. Up there is the mount back plate for the sway bar. So that has a rivet in the center holding it in, and I need to take it out and get measurements on it. So let's drill out the rivet, pull it out, and see what'll fit in there and how long the new studs need to be for the upgraded back plate. There we go. Yeah, I think a 30 or 35 probably will be plenty. That is awfully thin right there. Definitely need full width in here. So here's the redesigned base. This cat lens cap out of the way. There is a notch in the front of it that will allow it to fit on left or right side. This gives clearance for the when it's mounted, the angle of the unibody when that rail comes in. It should not affect stability. I did leave a slot hole in there for whatever retaining screw setup we decided to do for the backing plate. There's plenty of room there for it. And these holes are sized for M8 fasteners. And you have a cutout here for bronze bushing on each side. Those are pressed in. Shoulder screw goes through, and then the nut holds it on, and the arm mounts in here. So once that is done printing, once that's all done and printed up, we'll go see how it looks and how it fits with the sway bar on. And that would probably work as is, but I guess I can make the plate optional. But I mean, just look at the difference in surface area there. That plate is so narrow. If there's enough rod, it will just pull it through. It needs to at least be about that wide. Almost the full width of the rail is what it should be. So I'm thinking on the new plate, M6 thread here with the button screw to hold it down from the inside, and then probably press studs. M6, I mean probably M8 press studs, 35 millimeter. That'll be, turn this around to the side. They'll be a little bit longer to allow for the thickness. It'll be 3/16 plate, and then enough for a nylon lug nut. Still getting pricing together for all the parts, testing up all the fitment. I'll have a final group buy price with the ready to install kit. I have to press in all the bushings, I'll have to press in the studs, tap everything that needs to be tapped, and then package. And pricing will be probably I'll do without shipping, because I really don't know where these are going to end up going. Weight, this part and the brace will be in T6 aluminum, billet aluminum. So they're probably going to be 8 ounces, 9 ounces. This part probably. The brace is probably going to be closer to 10 or 12 ounces based on thickness. I really won't know that until I actually get it, but based on working with T6, that's my guess on weight. The bushings, screws, bolts, probably going to add another 2 pounds. And the plate's going to be definitely heavier than this. That's probably going to be a good 6 to 7 ounces. So all in all, the whole kit's probably going to be under 10 pounds. And that includes the bushing kit. Does not, well, I'll include screws with the bushing kit. And these kits are poly, and they're available in different sizes. So I will need to know at the point of ordering what size sway bar you have, or what size sway bar you intend to run, in order to get the right size poly bush to fit. And these all will be greasable, and you have your choice of black or red. All the aluminum parts are going to be in machine finish. I'm not anodizing anything. If you want yours anodized, let me know. I can have post-processing done on yours. It'll just take a bit longer to get it done. And I'll have to do that separately here before I ship them out, because I can't order one piece, one color, and one piece another color for someone else and have the batch done at the same time. They won't do that. They all have to be the same. So, I mean, if everyone wants anodized black or anodized silver or anodized clear, when I need to know that before we do the group buy. But that's my plan, is to have all this stuff available for a group buy. Everybody pull their money up. I'll submit the order. When everything comes in, I'll prep these, and they'll get shipped out in the order of payment. And then we'll see how it goes. I don't suspect there'll be any issues with this design. I've done sway bar kits before, and the really odd one was this, is the angle of attack on the bar going up to the car. So it's slightly at an angle. So the only stress that I see that might be an issue would be going to be here where the shoulder bolt goes through, and that's why I'm putting bronzed bushings in there instead of just running it through the aluminum, because that is going to wear if it's steel on aluminum.